It's summertime, and what do we normally do in the summer? We normally go somewhere near the sea or near the ocean, to the beach, for example. So today we will learn all we can do at the beach. Let's start. There are many reasons why we go to the beach. And the first one is we go to the beach to sunbathe. To sunbathe. I love sunbathing at the beach. While sunbathing, to feel more comfortable, we can use a sunbed and umbrella. We can rent them during the day from 10 a.m. till 6 p.m. To sunbath, to sunbath. To rent a sunbed, to rent a sunbed, to rent a sunbed and umbrella. To rent a sunbed and umbrella. If you want to swim, you have to pay attention to the color of the flag. There are usually 3 colors: green, yellow, and red. If the flag is green, it's absolutely safe to swim. You can enjoy yourself swimming. If the flag is yellow, you still can swim, but with precaution. There is a variety of reasons why flag can be yellow. There might be waves in the sea, or they might be jellyfish in the water. If the flag is red, it's better to stay away from the water because it's dangerous to swim. If swimming is prohibited, don't worry, you still can refresh yourself in the shower. Beach showers are normally used to wash up salt and sand from your body. What can we do in the water? We can swim, we can do snorkeling, or we can do diving. If you want to do snorkeling, you will need a mask, a breathing tube, and flippers. If you want to dive, you will need a diving suit, a scuba, flippers, and a bottle of oxygen. If you don't feel going to the water, you can always play beach volleyball, frisbee, or build sandcastles. If you want to know all the vocabulary you need to build a sandcastle and practice with your kids, I will leave the video up here. There are many reasons why people like going to the beach. What about you? Do you like to go to the beach? What do you do there? I invite you to write your answers in the comment box. Bye bye for now.